Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ilham Yusufa. My NPM is 2241142. In this video, I will explain about basic concept of motivation. Definition of motivation. Motivation is a specific internal condition of drive that drives and directs a person's behavior toward a goal. Achievement is the drive to overcome obstacles, exercise power, strive to do something difficult as well and as quickly as possible. Motivation means something that drives to do or act. Motivation is all things verbal, physical, or psychological that make someone do something in response. Motivation can also be interpreted as a process of movement, a situation that drives and arises within an individual and the behavior caused by the situation and the ultimate goal of the movement or action. Motivation for a healthy life is a person's desire to be able to live healthy. This will be reflected in a person's personality type. The role of the environment and humans is very close because every human being has a different nature known as personality. Motivation for a healthy life is an individual need that can't be separate from everyday life. Motivation is a process that explains the strength, direction, and persistence of a person in an effort to behave to make individuals who have motivation to live healthy. Therefore, the motivation to live healthily is the goal of every individual. Levels of motivation. Motivation can be divided based on its level and type. According to Rohma, the level of motivation criteria is categorized into A. Strong motivation 67 to 100%. Number B, moderate motivation 34 to 66%. Number C, weak motivation 0 to 33%. Based on the level of type of motivation according to Rahmawati is categorized into number 1, motivation based on fear. A person is afraid to do something because they are afraid that if they don't do it, something bad will happen. For example, people are afraid of their boss because they are afraid of being fired. Number 2, motivation because they want to achieve something. This motivation is much better than the first motivation because there is already a goal in it. A person wants to do something because they want to achieve a certain goal or achievement. Number 3, motivation driven by fear from within. This motivation is based on a mission or purpose in life. Someone who has found his life mission work based on the values he believes in. These values can be in the form of love or others or wanting to have meaning in living his life. Individuals who have this kind of motivation usually have a vision that is far into the future. For him, working is not just to get something, but is a learning process and a process that must be gone through to achieve his life mission. Nature or motivation. Motivation it has intrinsic and extrinsic properties. Intrinsic motivation is motivation that arises from within oneself and is not influenced by something outside of oneself, because in every individual there is already a drive to do something or a strong drive from within that causes the individual there is already to participate. A person whose behavior is driven by intrinsic motivation will only be satisfied if his behavior as achieve that result of the behavior itself. Okay, that is all I can say. Thank you.